Good morning, it's the bright early time of 12:33 a.m. We're at the McKay compound. How do you feel about it, Lucas?
I'm ready to be there.
Yeah? It's leaving out tonight for Ridaho 2020. Got the trailer, all the bikes. I'm stoked. I just got off work. Everybody else just woke up. Let's do this. Oh shit, that's only a small step. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. All right, who's ready to fucking party? Get the fucking Modelos. Woo, let's go. Oh, it's gonna be a good trip. It's gonna be a good trip, boys.
Freaking niggas every way like MJ. I can't believe today was a good day.
Almost there.
Welcome to Idaho.
Brother.
My dude.
What are you doing?
I think we're here.
Are you serious, brother?
I think so, man.
Alright, I'm gonna come outside.
All right, man.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. We made it.
There's a fog rolling in.
There's a fog rolling in.
The boys.
What's up, my dude? Oh my god, I haven't seen you in a dick year. Oh, let's do this. Let's party.
Alright, man. See ya. Oh, man.
You ever had your asshole licked by a man in an overcoat?
Oh god damn it. Y'all ready to ride some single track? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I think they're all moto trails, man. In this area. Yeah. Let's go. Whoa! Too bad I didn't get my wreck on video. Punctured the radiator. It has been a rough first day for us.
More airflow.
More.
That cools the rear tire down. Whoa, 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 be nice. Yeah, some zip ties to that later.
Alright, so I smashed my Husky radiator. Like a fucking dumbass. Got 6 hours on the bike. Fucking smashed the radiator. Goodbye. Goodbye. Sirloin. So it's day 2 of our Ridaho trip. The Husky is still down. Smashed the radiator in yesterday. Popped a hose. So today we're gonna try and figure out how to get it running. We called around. Nobody has a radiator in stock. Chelsea can bring me one, but she's not gonna be here till Saturday. So we're gonna see if we can't get it patched up and back together. No broken radiators. Oh no! That's just gas. Is it?
Oh, thank God.
Oh, Jesus.
Literally, I was like, I'm done.
That's just gas.
Oh, thank God, brother. Thank God. Oh my God.
I had that.
Brother, you're...
Well, the bug made it. What do you think, bud?
Don't do that. I remember my first time.
It went out of my nose.
My God.
I can do anything for my dirt bike.